Good morning, family, and happy Friday Eve, or should I say happy Thursday, but it's Friday Eve to me, and I'm super duper excited. So, today I'm going to talk to you about Instagram hashtags and the new search feature, but mostly about the search feature. I just have to throw hashtags in there because I have a hashtag class coming up. So, anyways, a lot of rumors have been circulating about this new search feature in Instagram. So, I wanted to kind of lay out the law and let you guys know what it is, how you can show up in search, and why hashtags are important when it comes to you showing up in search. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, Adam Missouri has put out that Instagram now has a new search feature. Now, it may be new to the world, but some of us have had this feature for a very long time. So if you go into the search bar in the explore page, if you go to the microphone, Lord Jesus, I'm still waking up, you guys. It's 6:34 right now. But if you go to the magnifying glass here and you click in there, right, you can type in words and then topics will start to appear. All right, so if I type in marketing, you will see that at the top you will see other little magnifying glass with words. Okay, these aren't hashtags, these are now what they call search topics. Okay, keywords. All right, so keywords are in Instagram now. For those of you that love keywords, long tail keywords, keyword research, that was like my thing back in the day. So when I type in marketing, what comes up is marketing agencies, marketing expert. If I type in business and hit the search bar, let's see what comes up. Nothing comes up for business. Yes, it does. I have to spell it right. So if I type in business, business comes up, business goals comes up, business quote comes up. Okay. So these are now search topics. All right. So the goal for you is not only to be on the explore page, but you also want to land inside of the search. Okay. So for me, I think that the search feature is phenomenal. Okay. Because you have more than one ways to show up in the explore page, not only based off of, people engaging and liking, but now there's certain things that you can do to get inside of that search feature to make sure you land in the search topics and in the explore page. All right, so let's talk about this, and this information is coming from about.instagram.com. If you did not know, Instagram has a blog, you guys, where they tell you all the sauce. They even have a blog talking about how the algorithm works and how you can work with the algorithm. So they're giving you the sauce, but you know what they say, if you don't want people to know stuff, put it in a book, make them read, right? But I read. All right, so let's talk about the search. Okay, here are the signals that they say is used in the search feature. Your text. Okay, it says the text you enter in the search bar is by far the most important signal for search. We try to match what type of relevant words you have in your username, your bios, your captions, hashtags, and places. Okay, places. Sorry, my voice cut out. But with that being said, you guys, I would not, in my opinion, go about changing your Instagram username. However, they're clearly saying that it's important. All right. So if you go in the search bar, and for example, I am an Instagram marketer. If I type in Instagram marketer or IG for business or something like that, my account usually comes up. All right. And now I know for a fact that the category of, or your name underneath the Instagram profile picture is what is searchable. That's not me right here. So for me, it says Rocky. You probably can't see. It says Rocky IG manager. So if I type in IG manager, or if anybody were to type in IG manager and look up accounts, you will see that I am in the feed. So as you can see right there, I am number 4 down, and I am live right now. And that's new, you guys. They never said that you were live. Ooh, check that out. So with that being said, you want to make sure that the name field that is right underneath your Instagram profile picture is changed to what it is that people are going to search for when it comes to you. Okay, are you a real estate agent? What location? Williamsburg real estate agent, North Carolina real estate agent, Atlanta real estate agent. So that way, if somebody types in Atlanta real estate agent, they will find you. Don't repeat and put your username as the name field, and don't put your real name there. That always creeped me out when people put their real name. Unless you're a brand, you guys, you don't want to stick your real name there, because people can research you and find all of your information. So you definitely don't want to do that. But that's in the search field. Okay, so that's something. All right, your text in search, your bio. What are you writing in your bio? Okay, you want to make sure that whatever it is you are writing in your bio, hold on, you want to make sure that whatever it is that you, sorry if the sound's going in and out, my AirPods don't know where to go. You want to make sure that whatever it is you are writing in your bio is searchable. So if I see that marketing is one of the tags in here, then I want to put marketing expert inside of my bio, because if somebody were to look up marketing expert, then that means I will show up in the explore page. All right. So you want to make sure that you are wary and cognizant of that. All right. So let's move on. Your activity. This includes accounts you follow, posts that you viewed, and how you've interacted with accounts in the past. All right. We usually show accounts and hashtags you follow or visit higher than those you don't. So what that means is you need to engage with the categories that you want to be featured in. Okay. So for me, again, it's marketing. So I want to make sure I go into marketing hashtags, like some pictures, like some content, make sure that I'm engaging with all of these things. That way I can potentially show up in the search, because they're checking what you do as well as what you're posting. All right. And then the last thing, it says information about the search results. When there is a lot of potential results, we also look at popularity signals. Okay, what does that mean? Engagement. You have to get the engagement. These include the number of clicks, likes, shares, and follows for a particular account, hashtag, or a place. All right. That being said, you want to make sure that you are getting the engagement you deserve. So engagement is a whole another topic, but what I will say is this: if you post really good content, then you are going to get really good engagement. That's how Instagram works, you guys. Good content equals good engagement. All right. So good content to me is something that produces value, a reason for them to stick around, a reason for them to want to know more. If you're not posting this type of stuff, you guys, then you're not going to get on the explore page, because no one is interested. If you go into your insights and analytics and you go into your content and you see what is the top, I say the top 6 posts. Let's do that right quick. All right. So I'm going into Instagram. I'm going into my insights. As I go into my insights, I'm going to scroll to where it says content you shared. I'm going to go to content you shared. I can select now at the top. It says any reach in the past year. I'm going to do any, and I'm going to do shares. I'm going to do saves because I like saves. I'm going to do any saves, and then I'm going to do the last 30 days. Okay. So for me, that's what engagement looks like for me. So if I do any saves in the last 30 days, I see that I have carousel posts up there. I see that I have lists up there that people use, but it's mostly my carousels and my lists. So what that's telling me is that I need to post more carousels and I need to post more list type of posts, because people are sharing this like crazy. This first one, this one that I did, 20 dance-free reels ideas, that has, let's see, that one has 242 shares. So what that is telling me is I need to post more of this stuff, right? Because my audience likes it, okay? I feel like a lot of people ignore the insights. Don't ignore your insights, you guys. That's Instagram telling you what it is that you need to do. All right, so make sure you're not ignoring the insights, okay? So now they're telling you how you can show up in the search besides all of the things that I've just talked about. So let's talk about it, all right? Use a fitting handle and profile name. I just said that, right? The name underneath your profile picture is searchable, okay? The Instagram handle is what they're looking for as well. So I should change my name if it wasn't as branded as it was. Social with Rocky is pretty branded. You can Google me, Social with Rocky, and I'm on 2 or 3 pages, right? So I'm not going to change it. But if I wanted to, because I know that marketing expert is on here, I could put Rocky Marketing Expert. And if somebody were to look marketing expert, I would show up, right? So if you are starting a new account or you are a brand new account and you don't mind switching your Instagram handle, switch it to something that might be searchable, okay? Go look into the search bar, type in the words and see what comes up, and then stick your name in there, right? Including relevant keywords and locations in your bio, okay? Make sure your bio includes keywords about who you are, what your profile is about, and if your account is location specific for a small business, sharing your location in the bio can make it easier for people in your area to find you. So if you are a brick and mortar and a local business, you want to put where you're located inside of the bio. I used to tell people all the time, don't do that because you want to serve everybody, but after working with Gary Vaynerchuk or working for Gary Vaynerchuk as his Facebook community manager, I learned that you need to reach out to your local market first and then expand on, okay? So with that being said, you should put in there, so I should put Williamsburg media manager or something like that, right? Because people, if they're searching Williamsburg where I'm located, then they will find it, all right? The next thing, all right? This is what blows me, okay? So we're really going to get into this. Use relevant keywords and hashtags in the captions, you guys. hashtags in the captions. Now, it doesn't mean you can't use hashtags in the comments, but it's telling you for a post to be found in search, put keywords and hashtags in the caption, not in the comment section. Mic drop right there, right? It's telling you now, because we never knew, right? People were like, do you put it in the captions or the comments? The captions or the comments? The captions and the comments. It's the captions, you guys, if you want to show up in the Explore page, all right? So with that being said, those are the things that you really want to think about, okay, when it comes to the search. So hopefully that was helpful to you. One thing that I do want to offer you guys is that I'm having a hashtag webinar, all right? In this hashtag webinar, I'm teaching you all things hashtags. If you think hashtags do not work, go check out my reel that says hashtags do work, or, you know, something like that. I got a lot of them in there. But I actually show you the insights from my hashtags. They get over 20,000 views from hashtags, you guys. 20,000 views. That's 20,000 impressions. I've had, matter of fact, I can just show you. I've had multiple accounts where my hashtags were off the charts. All right. So this one right here from hashtags is 600. You probably can't see it. From hashtag is 600 reach. And these are people that are not following me, right? Because that's how you reach your followers, is those that are not following you. From Explore page, because when the Explore page shows, it doesn't show the hashtags, but you can see from my Explore page reach is 63 impressions, which is really good. All right. My Golden Glory one that I keep bragging about that I cannot get over, you guys, is this one. Let me see if I can pull it up for you. It was a video, and videos actually do really, really good. But my from hashtag reach from this video, you guys, it's blurry, but you can see it. It's over 22,000 from hashtag, 22,150. Okay. So if you're not getting this type of reach and your hashtag game is flat, then you want to sign up for my hashtag masterclass. It is completely free. I'm giving you all the sauce about hashtags, and it's leading up to my hashtag course, where I will be selling you a course. Yes, it's for sale because this knowledge is gold, where I'm going to be teaching you how to get into top posts, how to get the most engagement, how to get the most reach, how to reach sales and get sales for the first time, because a lot of you aren't making sales on Instagram through just hashtags. So if you're interested, go ahead and click the link in my Instagram bio and sign up. It is September 25th at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I would love to see your smiling faces. A lot of you know me from Clubhouse or from here, but I don't get to see your face, right? So I want to see your face. I want to look at you, talk to you, and teach you, all right? So again, hashtag webinar, click the link in my bio and sign up today, and I'm super duper excited. So hopefully this was knowledgeable to you, and if you are now catching this at the end, then go back and watch it, you guys, because I'm going to upload it into IGTV. So have a blessed and wonderful day, and get featured in the search. That's what we just talked about, and sign up for the hashtag webinar. Love you guys. Bye.